Hey guys, welcome to MedBrain Media, and the quiz we have for today is Brain Anatomy Quiz Part 1. The difficulty level is college level anatomy, and please make sure to go in the description to check out some of our other quizzes that we have. And we also ask if you can like and subscribe to this video to make sure that we can continue providing more quizzes and trivia games for you. There are 25 questions on this quiz. You have 10 seconds to answer each question, and towards the end, we will provide the answers. Let's begin. Question 1. Which of the following structures is involved in the control of thirst? Question 2. The fourth ventricle is located between which two structures of the brain? Question 3. The infundibulum connects the pituitary gland to the blank. Question 4. Which of the following structures produces a hormone called melatonin? Question 5. Which of the following structures produces a hormone called antidiuretic hormone that is involved in preventing dehydration? Question 6. Which of the following structures are involved in keeping us alert? Question 7. The elevated ridges of tissue on the surface of the cerebral hemispheres are known as, while the shallow grooves are termed. Question 8. The olfactory area is found within the. Question 9. Sally has a brain injury. She knows what she wants to say but can't vocalize the words. The part of her brain that deals with the ability to speak is the. Question 10. The midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata are housed in the. Question 11. Lobe that contains the primary motor area that enables voluntary control of skeletal muscle movements. Question 12. The area of the brainstem that plays a role in the consciousness and the awake sleep cycle is the. Question 13. The vital centers for the control of visual activities such as heart rate, breathing, blood pressure, swallowing, and vomiting are located in the. Question 14. Loss of muscle coordination results from damage to the. Question 15. Which of the following is a traumatic brain injury? Question 16. The nerve that contains sensory fibers that are involved in hearing is. Question 17. Preparing the body for fight or flight response during threatening situations is the role of the. Question 18. Which of the following vessels supplies almost all of the thalamus? Question 19. Which one of the following vessels supplies the area of the primary motor and somatosensory cortex? Question 20. Which one of the following vessels supplies Broca's area essential for the production of language? Question 21. Which one of the following vessels does not supply any part of the corticospinal tracts? Question 22. There are several reasons why the capillaries of the brain are not as permeable as the other capillaries of the body. One of the reasons is the fact that the capillaries of the brain have this, while the capillaries of the rest of the body do not. Question 23. Which of the following substances can most easily pass through the blood-brain barrier? Question 24. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of the layers of meningeal membranes beginning with the brain going to the skull? Question 25. Associated with the anterior fontanelle of a newborn, the parietal and frontal bones are separated. There is a membrane covering the exposed area that one can feel if one touches the fontanelle area lightly. The membrane would be the blank matter. Now it's time to check all your answers and see how many did you get right. Question 1, the answer is C, hypothalamus. Question 2, the answer is B, cerebellum and pons. Question 3, the answer is C, hypothalamus. Question 4, the answer is B, pineal gland. Question 5, the answer is C, hypothalamus. Question 6, the answer is C, reticular activating system of the brainstem. Question 7, the answer is B, gyri and sulci. Question 8, the answer is B, temporal lobe. Question 9, the answer is D, Broca's area. Question 10, the answer is C, brainstem. Question 11, the answer is D, frontal lobe. Question 12, the answer is C, pineal gland. Question 13, the answer is B, medulla oblongata. Question 14, the answer is C, cerebellum. Question 14, the answer is D, cerebral edema. Question 16, the answer is D, cranial nerve 8. Question 17, the answer is A, sympathetic nervous system. Question 18, the answer is E, posterior cerebral arteries. Question 19, the answer is B, anterior cerebral artery. Question 20, the answer is A, superior cortical division of the MCA. Question 21, the answer is E, posterior inferior cerebellar artery. Question 22, the answer is A, basal lamina. Question 23, the answer is A, caffeine. Question 24, the answer is A, pia mater, acronoid matter, dura mater. Question 25, the answer is B, dura. Thank you for playing the Brain Anatomy Part 1 quiz. Hopefully you got most of those questions right. If not, feel free to take the quiz again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so we can provide more quizzes and trivia.